Everyone, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn LED on program. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Let's get started. You can open the MPLAB X IDE. Then you are opening MPLAB X IDE means this start page is mentioned for MPLAB X IDE microchip technology. Okay. So now I want to create for new project file. You can click it in file, new project. Okay, you can click on file, new project. It is showing for new project window. So then click it for microchip embedded. This side you can click it for application project, then next. Okay, then microcontroller families. Which families devices I used to mean PIC16F877A. So here is mentioning two microcontrollers is available. So PIC16F877A, it is only for digital pins. You want to use for analog pins also. So you can click on PIC16F877A. So next, you can press next. Then click it for XC8 Compiler. I have installed for high-tech compiler also, but I want to use for only XC8 Compiler. Then next. So project location, your installing time, automatically software detected for it is a C:. So you can change it to browse. Then which location you want, means that location you can save it. This PC, I mentioned for this PC, local disk D, my files, PIC16F8 EDU product lab, then PIC16F877A English. Then I want create for one new folder, not program. Okay, not underscore program. Then open the file. Then here I selected for open. Then I will write it for one. You can click it for use project location, the project folder. Once you can press and release. Then I want file name is one.led on program. Next video you can understand for LED blink program. Okay, LED on program. So LED on underscore B. Okay, I have write it for more lines, mean it is coming for errors. That's why I will write it for short name. Okay, this file is ordered for not program LED on PIC16F877A English not underscore program LED on PRG. Okay, program. So I want click it for finish. Here is opening for every header files, important link files, linker files, source files, library files, then loadables. Okay, so here is opened for only linker files. Okay, important files it is generated for make file ones. Okay, so source file you can click it. This file is empty, so I want create for one new main.c file. So I want click it for new, right click, then showing for new, then main.c. So here you can mention for new main. So I want remove for new. Then I want to use for only file name main extension C. So here so many extension is there, I and M. So I want to use for only C. So now I want click it in finish. So that main.c file is opened. So file name created name main.c, author, then created on August 9, 2026, 8:05 PM. Time also is matched. So you can create main.c, that time which date is file is created, then what time is generated, everything is mentioned. So this as include xc.h, then void main function is coming for it is default. Okay, so you want write code in this section as include xc.h, you can write enter, then double as define crystal frequency, you can mention for crystal frequency. So you want to use for own delay PIC16F877A microcontroller, you can use for own delay, mean you can mention for as define underscore crystal frequency, crystal XTAL, this case sensitivity. So you can type it for a crystal underscore FREQ, crystal frequency. You are using microcontroller crystal frequency is 4 MHz. So I have mentioned for 4 MHz. So already I added for 20, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60 mean it is 4 lakhs. Okay, total I mentioned for 4 MHz. So inside void main you can write it in programs. Every books also it is front page is the same like that void main. So you whatever pins you can initialize, that pin you can initialize for void main. So I want to initialize for here. So here is mentioned for TRISB and port B. Okay, this B mean it is input direction or output direction configuration bit. Then port B mean initially pin is high or low. So I want to write that code in hexadecimal format 0x00. So I want to write for X is small mode. You want to write it in caps also, no issues. So 0x00, port B equal to 0x01. You can connect it to the LED in RB0. Example, you want 1 minute, I want to show the registers. So 8-bit register, RB0 also, RB0, RB1, RB2, RB3, okay, RB4, RB5, RB6, RB7, okay, RB0 to RB7. So this bit value is 1, this bit value is 2, this bit value is 4, this bit value is 8. Bit number 0, bit number 1, bit number 2, bit number 3. Bit number again 1, 4, 5, 6, then RB7. So 8421. This value how will come? You are not understanding. So I will explain. This value is came for 2 power 0. That bit number is allocated for n. 2 power n. Formula is 2 power n. 2 power 0 mean anything power 0 value is 1. So 2 power 2. So 2 power 1. Here is coming for 2 power 1. 2 into 1, 2. So I mentioned value is 2. So 2 power 2. Again 2 power 2. Bit number 2. So value is 2. 2 into 2, 4. Then bit number 3. So 2 into 3 times you can multiply is coming 8. So 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1 F. So hexadecimal value is 16. 0 to 15. So here is coming 15. So I want stopped in 4 bit. I want split it. So here also 8421. So 8-bit microcontroller I have used for in 8-bit microcontroller. So here configure to 8421. It is coming for hexadecimal values. I want enabled for RB0. Okay, port B I want enabled for RB0. Port B, the program configures the port B as output, writes a logic high. The LED close continuously. Okay, so here I want write it 1. So I have mentioned for port B equal to 0x01. Okay, 0x01. So that end of line no semicolons, that's why is showing for errors. So I have added for end of line is semicolon. That project file is no errors. Now I want build the programs. This hammer icon you can press. The project is building. Okay, is showing for any errors or warnings is there mean it is mentioned for here. So this project no warnings, no errors, build successful. But this file not generating for hex file. Only LED on pr.x file only is generated. Then ELF file only generated. So you want Proteus simulation meaning you want in hex.x file. So I want pressing for production build main project. So now is generated for .x file. Okay. So next video I have clearly explained for how to use Proteus software, everything. Okay. So now clearly understand the concepts of LED on program in MPLAB X IDE. If this explanation helped you understand the concept, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Need help with final year projects, mini projects, IEEE projects, contact and WhatsApp. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay guys, thank you.